In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in Confluence. By the end, you'll feel confident creating a clean, well-structured page that your team can find and use right away. First, open Confluence and log into your account. Once you're in, head to the space where you want the page to live. Think of a space as a dedicated area for a team, project, or topic. Choosing the right space keeps your content organized and easier for others to discover later. Next, click the Create button at the top of the screen. As soon as you do, Confluence opens a new blank page for you. This is your canvas, and nothing is saved publicly yet, so you can take your time shaping it. If you prefer a starting point, you can pick a template. Confluence includes helpful options like meeting notes or how-to guides that come with suggested sections. If you don't need structure, choose blank page for a fresh start with full flexibility. By the way, if you need to access Confluence or sign up, I've placed a direct link at the very top of the description so you can get to the website quickly and follow along. Now, add a page title. Click at the top and type a clear descriptive title that tells people exactly what they'll find here. Good titles make your page searchable and save teammates time. With the title set, start adding your content. Just begin typing and use the formatting toolbar to make your ideas easy to scan. Turn long text into headings to break sections apart, and use bullet points for lists or key takeaways. If you want to include visuals, add images to illustrate a process, or insert links to relevant resources. For quick formatting, press the / key on your keyboard to open the command menu and instantly add elements like tables, headings, and more. Confluence also autosaves as you go, so you won't lose your work if you step away or your browser refreshes unexpectedly. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right corner. Your page is now live in Confluence and visible to anyone with access to that space. If you spot something to improve later, no problem. You can edit the page anytime after publishing and republish changes in seconds. That's the whole process. Open Confluence, create a page, choose a template if you want, give it a strong title, add your content, and publish. Thanks for watching. If this helped, check the link at the top of the description to access Confluence. And consider coming back for more guides just like this.